guess that answers the question. Does a bear shit in the woods? Well, this bear does. Come on, mate. Yes, bear cub here. And then the next thing you know, he's got to find a lake, find some nutrition, feed your inner monster. I'm gonna go to this lake right now. I'm gonna find some nutrition, find some protein. That's what we gotta do. Watch. Oh, look, right here. There's some protein right here. Fish. Fish is the best sort of protein. Yeah, that's what you're talking about. Right here. You gotta eat their guts. You gotta eat everything. Right here. That's what they're wrong. That's the liver right there. Protein. That's what I'm talking about. If you get them filleted right here. Oh, the head come off. Oh no. Yeah.